Hey, this is Terratoots with a quick tutorial on creating a basic sunset in Terragen 4. To some degree, Terragen's realistic atmosphere model makes this as easy as putting the sun in a natural position, but we'll also cover a couple tweaks you can use to tune your results. We're going to start out in the scene I've prepared, with the camera looking out to the horizon over a ridge of pine trees. We'll work on adding some clouds and a sunset in this open area here. First, let's turn on the ray traced preview, and make sure the atmosphere and lighting previews are enabled. Next, we'll bring the sun into position. Come to the lighting tab, and we'll bring the sun heading around to around 31 degrees, and the elevation down to 0, which will put it right here behind these mountains. An important note here, if you decide to put the sun behind your terrain, you'll need to come over to the atmosphere, and in the quality tab, check receive shadows from surfaces. This will increase render time, but otherwise your sun will show through the terrain a little bit. Alternatively, you can remove the bright spot in post if you're okay with that. Okay, next, let's add some clouds. Click Add Cloud Layer, and then Low Level Stratocumulus. Now, just to be honest, you might spend a lot of time playing with the random seeds here to get clouds you like. I'm going to put in a seed I selected earlier, and tweak it just a bit, bringing the growth down, so the individual clouds are a bit smaller, and increasing the radius to get clouds all the way to the horizon. We'll also bring the cloud quality up. Now obviously there's an infinite variety of sunsets, and where you go from here depends on exactly what type of sunset you're looking for. In many cases, something subtle can look really nice. In this case, I'm going to try for something more bold, with some really bright oranges. With the default Terragen atmosphere, the sun at this elevation produces some light yellow colors. If we come back to the atmosphere settings, we can bring the red sky to K up to start moving into some more oranges and reds. I'm also going to bring the ozone factor up a little to boost the blue in the sky. Again, this is all to your taste. This brings some more orange into the scene, but also dims the sunset quite a bit. To counteract this, let's come back into our clouds. In the lighting section, you'll find the settings Sunglow Amount and Sunglow Power. Essentially, Sunglow Power increases the intensity of the glow around cloud edges when lit from behind, and Sunglow Amount controls how much it spreads through the cloud. Let's increase both of these, and we can immediately see the effect on glow in the clouds. We could stop here if desired, but if you look at the sky, you'll find that there are usually multiple types of clouds in the sky at once, at different altitudes. In Terragen, more clouds means longer renders, but can add more variety to your scene. Just for fun, I'm going to add some mid-level alto-stratocumulus clouds and some high-level cirrocumulus clouds, and tweak their glow settings similarly to the others. This gives a nice sky-feeling sunset with some bright colors. The glow is maybe a little much, but at this point you can fiddle with it to your heart's content. You can see here I've added in some more cloud layers, some fluffier clouds on the bottom, some mist in the trees. So there you have it, a basic sunset and a couple tools to start shaping it to your needs.